Hi guys, let's go ahead and open the Chanel. I'm very excited. I bought one lipstick. I didn't open it at all. I'm so curious to open it with you guys. I bought, as you know me, red of course. It has too many shades, but I picked number 7, Rouge Privé. Can't wait. Here's Chanel, and here the CC logo. Wow, I didn't open it at all. I am like you guys. Wow. Oops. We'll keep the box definitely. Wow, this is heavy. This is pretty. It's a glass inspired by Gabrielle, her flagship or the first shop or gallery or boutique in Paris. The stairs, definitely know the stairs. And here is the color. And it's magnet, which is nice. Yeah, beautiful. I don't want to swatch it now. It's beautiful. I like it. I like the packaging too. I was afraid that it will be cheap, but yeah, I love this. Yeah, and it comes with its own pouch. Wow, I like the wrapping. Wow, this is pretty too. It's like Canva, but very good quality Canva. Yeah, can you see that? It's very good quality. And you can open it like that. This does inside. Let's put wow, this is pretty. It's definitely heavy. It's very nice. I like it. I'm impressed. Guys, that's it. I will go now have rest and enjoy my evening. And please, if you like my video, please give me a huge thumb up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love you to join us. Now 300, which is very good. I'm so happy. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.